Hello friend and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a super cute, budget-friendly holiday craft, DIY Christmas ornaments made from just baking soda and cornstarch. These come out bright, white, smooth, and perfect for decorating. Plus, this is a great activity for kids, classrooms, or a cozy crafting afternoon with grandma. So let's get into the recipe. You only need 3 simple ingredients for this: 1 cup of baking soda, a half a cup of cornstarch, and 3/4 cup of water. That's it. So go ahead and whisk everything together in a saucepan until smooth. Then turn on your stove and cook the mixture over medium heat. Keep stirring until it thickens and it will start to look like mashed potatoes. Once it pulls away from the sides, you're done. Remove it from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. When the dough is cool enough to handle, go ahead and knead it until it's soft and silky. This texture is so satisfying, kids especially love this part. Now sprinkle in a little cornstarch on your surface, roll the dough out, and grab your favorite cookie cutters. Stars, snowflakes, trees, anything festive works. Place your ornaments on parchment paper and you can let them dry overnight, which gives a really smooth finish, or if you're in a hurry, pop them in an oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit, that's about 80 degrees Celsius, for 1 to 2 hours, flipping halfway through. That speeds things right up. Once your ornaments are fully dry, it's time for the fun part, decorating. You can use food coloring, paint them, paint markers for details, glue on embellishments, or just keep them plain and minimalist. Don't forget to poke a hole before they dry so that you can add your twine or ribbon later. What I love about this DIY Christmas project is how affordable, creative, and kid-friendly it is. It's great for classrooms because the ingredients are inexpensive and non-toxic. Kids love watching their ornaments transform from dough to decoration. And honestly, crafting these with grandma or family members makes for the sweetest holiday memories. Everyone gets to create something personal that goes on the tree for the years that they came. Finish them with a little twine, hang them up, and give them as handmade gifts. They're beautiful, meaningful, and totally customizable. I even Mod Podged a photo of my mom's sister on an ornament and she loved it. She still hangs it to this day, and my mom's sister, my aunt, has passed away. So these can be memorable pieces that are also handmade. And that's it. A simple, cozy, festive project to bring a little holiday magic to your home. If you try this DIY, let me know how your ornaments turn out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more seasonal crafts. Notice the difference between thicker and thinner. I definitely recommend a little bit thicker, but I wasn't measuring, I'm just having fun with this, so for me it doesn't matter. But if you do want to pay attention to the thickness, thicker is definitely better, even though it takes a little bit longer to dry. So after decorating, I choose to add a layer of Mod Podge to finish my project and a little bit of glitter. This just helps protect it and last a little bit longer, but it is an optional step. I needed smooth paper, and as you can see, my little brochure paper there is smooth, and so it really helps when you're working with glitter if you do not have a glitter saver tray like you saw in my last shot. So yes, I am an educator and I love doing this project every year with my students. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Happy holidays and happy crafting.